Good day, YouTubers. Let's talk about setting the time on a Sunbeam microwave. This is a small one, about 700 watt, available at Target and other retailers. To set the clock on here, you hit the stop cancel button, and then you hold down the clock timer button until you see HR 12. When you see HR 12, you can enter the time starting with a 0 if it's 9 o'clock in the morning, so 09:54. In this case, it's in the morning. We'll hit the clock timer button again, and the clock is now set. If I wanted to do military time, it would be the same thing, except you would choose the HR 24, but as you get into the afternoon hours, let's say I wanted to change it to military time and it's after noon time, we'll just hit the stop cancel clock timer again. We will hit clock timer one more time to get the 24, and then we can enter 1235 hours, hit the clock timer again, and it'll just show 12:35 military time, and it'll go up to 1300, 1400, 1500, etc. That is how you set the timer or the time on the microwave. Now, it's a double function button, and it also has a timer function, and the timer function becomes active when you see the flashing colon. So if we hold this down again, there, the flashing colon symbol. Now I can enter 7 seconds, 07. Well, didn't have to enter the 0 and just hit the start button. It will revert to the time display if you set a longer, there it did. And then it beeps. I don't know if it's going to continue to beep every 30 seconds or whatever, but in any case, I'm going to reset the time here to the current time and get rid of the military time. So stop, hold that down, HR 12 for 12-hour time. I think it's 9:54, and clock timer again, and there we go. Thanks for watching.